Ninth class ICSE chapter 21 solid exercise 21 test yourself question number 5 surface area and volume of 3D solids. Question number 5 is given a figure. Find the volume of the surface area of the victory stand. That means, see, this is the picture of the question. Now, you have to find the volume and surface area of each stage. Stage 1, stage 2, stage 3. Okay. Now, volume of stage 1. What is the dimension? You see, this is your stage 1. This is stage 1. Stage 1, this is 30 centimeter. This is 30 and again this is 30. So, total length is 60. This length is 60. Okay. Then this one is 60 and this length, this is 40 and this breadth is 30. This is 40, this is 30 and total this is 60. Now up, up to this one is total is 60. 60 minus 20, this one 20, so total 60 minus 20 equal to this one is your 60 minus 20 is 40. यहाँ से यहाँ तक 40 है. This is length is 40 cm, breadth is 30 cm and height is 30 plus 30, that is 60 cm. So volume is 40 into 30 into 60, that is 72,000 centimeter cube. This is volume. Now surface area. Surface area of stage 1. This is top. First top surface area of top is, this is 40 into 30. 40 into 30, this one 40 into 30. Then surface area of this one, this side, right side, this is your 40, length is 40 and breadth is 30. So this is also 40 into 30. So this one 40 into 30, 2 times of 40 into 30, 40 into 30. This one 40 into 30, this one 40 into 30. Then this one, this side, this is your total height is 60 and this is 20. So 60 minus 20 is 40. This much is 40 and this much is 40. So this is your 40 into 40. This is 40 into 40. Then this side is 30 is breadth and this is height is 60 and that side also 30 into 60. So 2 times of 30 into 60. This is surface area of the stage 1. Now stage 2. This is for box 2. Here this one is 30 cm and this is your 30 cm, this is 40 cm and this is 30, this is 40 and height is 30. This is breadth is 30, length is 40. Breadth 30, length 40 and height is 30. So volume is 30 into 40, then 30. 30, 40 into 30. This is volume. 40 into 2 times of 30. That is equal to 36,000 centimeter cube is volume. Okay. 30 into 40, then height is 30. Now surface area. Surface area of top. Surface area of top is, this is your 30 into 40. Top surface area of top is 30 into 40. Then this one. Surface area of this one is again 30 into 40. This is 30 into 40. Then this is 30 into 40. This is 30 into 40. Then this one. This one is, this is 30 and this is 30. So 30 into 30 and that side also 30 into 30. So 2 times of 30 into 30. Okay. top is 30 into 40, then right side is 30 into 40, then this side is 30 into 30. This is 30 and this is 30. So 30 into 30 and that side also 30 into 30. So this is your surface area of box 2. Now box 3. This is in box 3. This is length is 40, breadth is 30 and height is 20. So volume is 40 into 30 into 20. This is 40 into 30 into 20, that is 24,000 centimeter cube. Now total surface area. Surface area of top is, this is 40, 40 is length, breadth is 30, so 40 into 30. So top is, total surface area top is 40 into 30. Then this part is, this is your 30 and this is 20. So front part is, surface area of front part is 30 into 20 and back part also 30 into 20. So 2 times of 30 into 20. Now this one left side. Left side is 40 is length and 20 is breadth. So this is 40 into 20. This is 40 into 20. Okay. This is top is 40 into 30. This is 40 into 30. Then left is 40 into 20. This is left portion 40 into 20. Then this is front and back side is 30 into 20. So 2 times of 30 into 20. So this is your total surface area of box 3, that is 3200. Now total volume of the box is volume of box 1 plus volume of box 2 plus volume of box 3, that is 132,000 centimeter cube. Similarly, total surface area of the box is surface area of box 1 plus surface area of box 2 plus surface area of box 3, that is 15,000 centimeter square. This is the solution of question 5.